my goodness, we got so many shoes. Hello, beautiful sweethearts. It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. I'm actually gonna try and start talking in this video a little quieter than usual, only because I know I'm gonna scream a lot. I bought a lot of new shoes, and you know, shoes just make a girl feel some type of way. I just love shoes. They're my favorite thing in the world. I've done a bunch of shoe collection videos, but this week I went on a little bit of a shopping bender and bought a ton of new ones. So now presenting the almost could be feature-length film, all the shoes I bought this week. Bippity boppity shoe. Oh my God, look at them all. And there's some in there, and there's a bunch over there. We got bunches. So let's get started. By the way, I buy all of my shoes used, basically all of them. I very, very rarely buy shoes in stores. So eBay, Poshmark, The Real, Tradesy, Vestiaire Collective. There's like a lot of places I buy them, but I'll tell you guys where I got each pair in intensive detail. So anyways, all right, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. I actually already unboxed these a while ago, but oh my God. These are so stinking cool. These are silver and gold Gucci wedges with diamonds in the back of them. How cool are these? See, you know, we got Gucci made in Italy. They came brand new in the box. I actually got these on The Real. This is my outfit of the day, by the way. We're wearing jeans and a t-shirt because, you know, I really wanted to show off, ooh, my legs and shoes. Like, oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. And the fact that these are wedges, by the way, make them super comfortable, but look at that. This is so cool. Ah, love it. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Do you recognize them from the Lady Gaga video? These are unbelievable. OMG, these are just so classic and iconic, and actually some of the coolest shoes I've ever seen in my life. You can see they got the 3D design on there. Wow. Unbelievable, super rare collectibles item, and I love them. Just like normal people collect like baseball cards or whatever, I collect rare fashion. This is literally art to me. It's so cool. Oh, like this is absolutely iconic. Work, bitch, yes. Have to clean this mirror. These are literally so rare. I looked for them for like years before I found them in my size. Little art. These are literally amazing. You can see with the tights, then it like really elongates your legs and makes them just look like very high fashion-y runway, but also very, you know, cute and classy Mary Jane. Absolutely killer. Woo. Oh, you guys really want to see a look? Oh, yes. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, I don't know why I forgot to take off my shorts when I was putting on the tights, but then I was too lazy, so there we go. Mother frickin' look. Nice. I'm just gonna fill this whole thing up with shoes as we go along. No, I'm just kidding. I'm actually, as you can see, I'm gonna fill it up with my favorite books. I'll talk more about my favorite books later, but these are like some of my favorite books in the world. Oh my God. That's for another day. Back to shoes. So, next pair. Alrighty, so next up we got this pair. Dun, dun, dun. These came with like everything. I got these on The Real, but look at this. You can see the little Dior logo. It just makes a black strappy shoe like a little more exciting and fun and funky. Like these would be so cute with like even just this kind of plain, just, you know, spices it. That's okay, I'm redoing the floors anyway. But yeah, gives your legs a little spice, you know. Woo-hoo. Fire. By the way, these have an insane resale value, which is honestly why I buy a lot of shoes with logos on them, because, you know, collectible items, this, no matter what, will never go out of style. You know what? I think we'll do these because these are just so fun. This is actually one of my favorite brands of shoes in the world because, well, they're glittery. Dun, dun, dun. Woo! Oh my God, this is chaotic. Okay, so I actually got these on eBay. You can see they're so glittery, like a million Swarovski crystals on them, and they're fire. These are actually a size too small for me. I'm a 37.5, but that's okay. I'm gonna cram my feet into them because I love them. These are really hard to show in a glamorous way. Ta-da. You know what? I'm just gonna put them on. They don't make sense off your foot. So here they are, modeling. Like I want to show you guys these in the dark, so we're gonna stand in my dirty laundry room, but like, oh my gosh, look at that. These are so cool. Look at the glitteriness. Unbelievable. Please pardon my weird spray tan, but yes, yes. Oh, we love it. These are amazing. I feel like a very sexy gladiator woman. By the way, I only paid $280. New in the store, those are $2,000. So, nailed it. Shout out to eBay. This looks so weird. Okay, so usually when I buy things online, they come in the box, but sometimes they don't. Sometimes they just come in random bags like this. So, here's these, but oh my gosh, these are, I think, the best shoes I own. And that's saying something. Dun 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 dun. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Oh, these are so beautiful. So these are literally the gold Versace heels. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. I got these basically brand new too. Could you just die? These are honestly, I think some of the best, most Cinderella-y shoes that I've ever seen. They have the gold Medusa head on the front. These shoes are literally my dream. Okay, so story time about these really quick. You guys know the first designer thing I ever bought in my life was this bag like 5 years ago. That's a picture of me picking it up. One of my favorite pictures of me in the world. Like, talk about pure joy. But anyways, yeah, I literally looked for these since 2017. So A, that takes dedication, but I randomly found them on Poshmark. Is there anything better on earth than this? I will tell you the answer. The answer is no. Oh, that's just the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Look at them together. Wow. You know, that bag is like my most prized possession, I think. So to have the matching set, just, you know, it's just proof. What's meant for you will find you. I can make shopping metaphorical and deep and meaningful. It's just all how you look at it. This is just like bad bitch energy all around. Unfreaking believable. Oh, this is just the best thing. I'm gonna like have an orgasm right now. Beautiful. Ain't a man on earth who can make me feel like this, let me tell you. How embarrassing is it that I'm getting like tired trying these on? I need to work out more. Okay, anyways, what else we got? All right, coming off that, something else I've been looking for literally forever. Oh, look at that pristine condition. These are the 2018 PVC white Chanel sneakers. These as seen on Kylie Jenner and, well, me. I bought these sneakers years ago, brand new in the store when they came out, wore them to absolute death until they were like literally falling apart. And I've been looking for another pair since I bought them, have never found them anywhere ever until randomly I saw them on eBay Australia and I bought them. Also at like 3 a.m. That's when I like to shop. You don't really have any inhibition then. You'll just hit buy now and not really think about it. Unlike in the day where you like, you know, have some sensibility, but honestly, these are in such good condition. I don't even want to wear them yet. I'm gonna like save these for a special day, but anyways, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. By the way, these sneakers are so rare. I literally was still able to sell them for half of what I paid for them, even in their horrible ass condition. So anyways, just FYI, not a bad investment. Unbelievable, absolutely obsessed with them. You guys are gonna really laugh at me when you see the next box. Are you ready? Oh, what could it be? Oh, you crazy bitch. Yes, these are exactly the same sneakers in black. Also brand new in the box. I actually got these on the RealReal. You can see they're literally exactly the same, but black. Like, you know, now whatever mood I'm in, we got the light side and the dark side. Mm-hmm. I've been looking for both of these for years and found both pairs within a week of each other. Crazy. These are just super cool. Again, you can wear them with socks to give them a different look, but these are super fun. Oh my God. Ah! Okay, so next up we have denim on denim. I love playing Barbie and having like a matching shoe and matching bag. So I already had this bag, so when I saw this shoe, I was like, destiny. Anything can be destiny if you want. So you can see these are so cute. They are like the little matching denim Louis Vuitton heels. They have a couple shades of denim on them, which I thought was super cool, but they also have the gold hardware, just like my bag, a fun little wooden heel. So, time to be a Barbie. Come on, Barbie, let's go shopping. Ooh, 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 yeah. Actually, most people really tell me I look more like a Bratz doll than a Barbie, but you know, same difference. I just, I love dressing and acting like a little doll. Oh my God! Literally, look at that. So cute! Like, how fun is that? It makes it a whole little look, even like the denim shorts work, honestly. By the way, a bunch of people keep asking if I still have my tattoo. Of course I do. You just can't see it in photos like I thought, because usually I take photos like this, not really like that, but anyways, okay. All right, these also didn't come in a box, so we're using the same Chanel box again. Shout out to that box, but work. Okay, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy for buying these because I know they're kind of ugly, but also that's why they slap. Well, they look like Converse, except they're heels, and these are actually, that says Manolo Blahnik. Really hard to show, but there you go. Carrie Bradshaw's favorite shoes though. I had to get them. They literally look like high-heeled Converse. Iconic. Everyone needs some good old hiking shoes. Woohoo! Like, you know, if I was going to a baseball game, these would be so cool. Not that I really go to sports events, but maybe I'll date a baseball player someday, who knows. You could also flip them over for a different look. That's kind of fun. You know, might as well do something a little funky because you only live once. Why not? Sometimes you should be funky. By the way, if you guys want to steal any of my looks, these are all like basically vintage designer, kind of rare, not super easy to find, but since I am the queen of dupes and basically just anything that involves shopping, I got you. I linked a bunch of similar ones in the description. So for these, we got these from Amazon. I linked a bunch of other ones for all of them to kind of try and do a little steal your style look for less. So there you go. Speaking of dupes, this is the next pair. The next pair of shoes actually quite literally is a dupe, though you would never know. This is an absolutely fire dupe. Get it? Haha, fire. But yeah, this is actually based on a Prada design. So cute. But these are Cape Robin. I got these on Amazon for $17. As you can see, I'm actually in the middle of bedazzling them. Like, literally, these are so cool. Actually, they're not cool. They're hot. Haha. But yeah, fire, fire, fire. Quite literally super comfy, and like I said, cheap dupe. You would never know the difference. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Ta-da, ta-da, na, 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 na. Ooh, ooh. I just feel like I could run so fast in these. You know, thought wheels. Like, not to brag, but I can literally do anything in heels. I can do freaking yoga in heels. No problem. Your girl could win the Olympics. All right, so next, this other pair I actually also bought to match a purse. These were from Poshmark and didn't come in a box, so I'm just gonna put them in this box, but oh, look at those. These are glittery black Gucci sandals. You can see they're not in like perfect condition, but I'm gonna wear them, so I don't really care. I got these to match this bag, because this bag that I got in another shopping vlog, because you know, I just, like I said, love matchy-matchy stuff. So cool. Hello, work. You can see on, how fun are those? They're just like black glittery. Oh, I just love stuff that's matchy-matchy. Do. P.S. honestly, last but not least, actually wasn't even gonna include these, but you know what? I'm really proud of them and I couldn't quite remember if I'd ever shown them before. Oh my gosh! It's like I'm in the middle of bedazzling these. I just recently actually finished fully bedazzling these. These are wedged Converse that I also got on Amazon, and then I bedazzled them all myself. Easy DIY project if you want to see how to make them. It's literally linked in this video. Oh, fabulous. Wow, I'm honestly out of breath. Trying on shoes is a workout. And there you have it. That was all the shoes I bought this week. I'm gonna go out and buy some more right now. No, I'm kidding, but am I? I love you so very much. Thank you so much for watching. My YouTube channel was founded on me like trying to tell my roommates about all the shoes I bought and they wouldn't listen. So thank you for listening. Thank you for caring. I love you more than you'll ever know. Kisses till next time. XO. Oh dear, I made a mess. Oh well, I will clean that up.